Alright, y'all. We are here in my laundry room with my newer Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo. And I did find another turbo brush. It's not a matching one, but it fits. So, here we go. I think I need to adjust the height. Yep, it works. And there we go. I hope y'all enjoyed that. Tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, when I can do it, and if I can do it. And if you haven't already, definitely be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more vacuum content. And until next time, bye y'all.